tyre repair and replacement, what you can expect. Thank you for booking your tyres through the Ayvens Driverline. First, please check all the details on your booking confirmation: date, time, location, and contact details. And if there are any changes, please give us a call. Here are some things you need to know on the day. Make sure you have the locking wheel nut key handy. You can usually find this in the boot, but your handbook will tell you where it's stored. It's unique to your vehicle, and we won't be able to change your tyre without it. If you've booked for either a morning or an afternoon mobile tyre replacement appointment, the driver will usually call you in advance with an ETA. To keep you safe, we'll check all your tyres, including any spare if we're able to, which means we may need to change more than just the tyres you came in for. The tyre fitters will always check with us for authorization, as we'll only fit tyres you actually need. Each tyre takes around 30 minutes to fit, so make sure you leave enough time for the appointment. If you prefer, you can leave the vehicle with our tyre fitters, and they'll call you when it's ready. We'll do all we can to get the tyres fitted quickly so you can be on your way as soon as possible. If you've got any questions, give the Ayvens Driverline a call or visit our website. We're always happy to help.